Hello, good morning, students. Today we are not going to learn any kind of new things. Actually, today we are going to revise all of this yearly portion, but the way of revision will be a little bit different. We'll revise all the chapters through some question answer. How it is? Let's see. So, without wasting any time, let's start. First, we'll start from the chapter 2, desktop operations. Let's start this chapter. First, you fill in the blanks. First one, when you switch on the computer, the first screen you see after loading the operating system is called the, what is the name of the process of this loading the operating system? That is called booting. So whenever the booting will complete and the first screen will appear in front of you, name of that first screen is what? Yes, desktop. The small pictures, second one, the small pictures on the desktop are called what? Look at the suggestion on the top. With green color you can see desktop, background, icons, screensaver, folder. Which one it will be? Icons. Third one, the dash image of desktop is called wallpaper. Which image of the desktop? Background image of the desktop is called wallpaper. The background image of the desktop is called wallpaper. So from the beginning, what is happening? We just need to switch on the computer, then we can see the booting process. That's mean the loading of the operating system, whatever the operating system installed into your computer, maybe Windows 7, Windows 10 or any other operating system. Whenever it will complete, you can see one screen in front of you, that is called desktop. And within that desktop you can see some small pictures along with its name, and those pictures are called icons. Not only this, within this desktop screen, the background of this desktop screen, we can see some photo or the images. Those are called wallpaper. And the image that you see when computer is left idle for a certain period of time is called, yes, screensaver. Look, screensaver and wallpaper, both are background. Both are background, but little bit different. Wallpaper you can see all the time, but screensaver only when you will left your computer idle for a certain period of time, only then it will active. And we can set this timer also. Suppose if we set that screensaver will come after 1 minute or 30 seconds, so it will appear just after that time what we will set. And look at the last one, last blanks. Dash is a location of organizing and storing files, where we can store within folder. Yes. Now look at the next. True or false? We can see icons only on the desktop screen. Only on the desktop screen? No. Icons not only within desktop screen, we can see anywhere within any application. Suppose you open one application and there is a back shine. You can see one back arrow, that is also an icon. So icons are not only on the desktop screen, we can see on other applications, on other window also. So it will be false. The image that you see when the computer is left idle for a specified time, called a wallpaper. We just discussed about it. No, it's not wallpaper. It's called screensaver. So this is also false. We cannot preview the selected screensaver. No, we can see the preview. All the things are discussed on our other videos. You can check those videos, how we can see the preview of the screensaver, what we will choose. You can see all of those things. So you cannot preview the selected screensaver. It is false. You cannot change the position of the taskbar. You can change. Taskbar is not fixed. You can change at the top of the screen. We can change at the left side, right side. So you can change its position. So this is also false. Quick launch bar is placed at the right side of the taskbar. No. Right side of the taskbar is called system tray. Our quick launch bar is placed at the left side of the taskbar. So this is also false. So let's see the next correct option. Any data stored on your computer can be accessed through, look at these options: recycle bin, network, computer, none of these. Look, recycle bin is icon on the desktop, but what it can store? If we delete any file, that will store temporarily within this recycle bin. Network, that is related to network connections. So we cannot access all of those data through network also. Computer. Computer, through this computer we can access all the information. If we open our my computer, or in some other ways you can see this PC, I mean the term will be changed. Here it is my computer. In other operating system you may see this PC. The name is only changed, but the work is same. Function is same. So through the computer we can access all of those information what is stored on our computer. Which of the following option allows you to control the volume of different devices? Mixer, speaker, mute, personalization. Within these options, it's very easy, you just use your brain. Yes, speaker option, through the speaker option we can get mixer, but here it is saying within these options which option can help us to mix different sounds. Yes, mixer it is. But I must say one thing, it is wrongly marked on your worksheet. Please correct it. On the behalf of correction, we'll provide one PDF also. You can follow that PDF on your worksheet. You just need to log in and then move to worksheet. There you can get it, all the corrections. Which key next? The which key combination is used to open multiple windows using Aeroflip 3D? That is Windows key plus Tab key. Along with this key, Alt key plus Tab key, that is also can give us a 3D view, but that is not Aeroflip 3D. Aeroflip 3D only can accessed by Windows key plus Tab key. I mean, you have to press and hold this Windows key plus tab key. Next, the special feature of Windows 7 which allows us to navigate easily through multiple open windows. Adjust sound or arrow pick. Yes, it is arrow pick. Because through the arrow pick 3D view, what we can do? We can change from one application to other application. Or we can move from one application to another application, which are open right now. So look at the next. The background image that you see on the desktop is called wallpaper. Already we have discussed. If you want the screensaver to appear after computer has been idle for 5 minutes, then make changes in this option of the screensaver settings. That's mean we want to change some screensaver settings that after 5 minutes. If we left our computer idle for 5 minutes, then after 5 minutes our screensaver will appear on our screen. So we have to change these settings. First we have to move to the screensaver, then within the screensaver window, which option can help you to change this? Change this time. That is screensaver. First you have to go to personalize, then you just need to click on screensaver. When the screensaver window or the dialog box will open, there you can get one screensaver option. Just below of it you can see the timer. You can change the time as per your requirement. Here within this question they are saying that we just set this screensaver if we left our computer idle for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes it will appear on our screen. I hope it is clear for all of you. If you have any doubt, you can send your mail, but write all of your doubts in detail. Don't complete your sentence within one line. Because if you will not write your doubts in detail, we cannot give you proper answer. Okay, so let's see the next. Alright, our next chapter, chapter 9, managing files and folders. Before moving to this chapter, I must say that video is going too lengthy, so I have to complete this first. So few part we cannot complete today. On our next video we will complete and we will give you a detailed explanation of these two chapters very soon. So let's start this chapter. We'll give you a very few description, a few explanation here, and our next video will discuss all. Here also fill in the blanks. Just look, whatever is stored on our computer is accessible from the icon called, there are the option on the top, browser, computer, home, libraries, recycle bin. Which one it is? Yes, computer. If we click on my computer, then we can access all the drives within this, along with libraries and other all the things whatever stored within our computer, we can access it. So when you delete a file or folder from computer, it will move to which folder? Libraries? No, it will move to recycle bin. Then a dash is an application program that provides a way to view and navigate all the web pages on the internet. Which application? That is called browser. Now you are familiar with these, I hope, as you are giving exam, so you need one browser, only then you can access this student.vsn.ac.in. You are writing this now on the top, that is called address bar. On the address bar you are writing. So if you want to write this student.vsn.ac.in, you need to open one browser, and this browser is an application program that provides us to access all these web pages on the internet. So the answer is browser. The first page of the website is called. So So just imagine we open our browser and we have written that suppose vsn.ac.in. So what will happen, the first one page will come, whatever the first screen will arise or first thing you can see within this web page, that is the home screen or the home page. Okay, so the first page of the website is called home. Dasher, collection of stored content of one page. Feature collection of stored content of one page. Just imagine our real life. Suppose we are in market and we are purchasing some things for our daily life, and we have one bag we have. So all the things what we are purchasing, we're keeping all of those things within our bag. So whenever we'll reach at our home, so then from where we can access this all? From our bag, as we keep all the things whatever we purchase from the market within this. So if we want to take this, we need to access that bag. So just like this bag, there is one folder that is called libraries. From the libraries, we can access collection of stored content of one page. Suppose within library, if you open library, we already discussed it in our video. If you see that, you can see there that within libraries there are few folders. Suppose picture. Whenever we will click on picture, all the pictures stored in different drives or different folders, that will be visible within library, but we have to set those. Generally you can see this, but if we'll set this, then you can see within picture folder all the pictures which are stored within your computer. Similarly, there will be a music folder. So if you want to click, or if you open this music folder, all the musics which are stored within your computer, you can see these in one page. So the answer is libraries. So for today, that's all. Thank you. I hope all the things are clear. If not clear, I told you, just need to drop one mail to our mailbox, but please write in detail about your problem, and it will be easy for us to answer you. So stay home and stay safe. Don't go outside. No need to say this. We're all familiar with this right now, and we hope we'll relieve from this pandemic very soon. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.